Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good morning. Good morning. We up. What up, Timbo, Miss K, Neo, Stoic, Zenith, Jan, Futures Trader, Black Beauty? It's a total mess. I agree, Coper. Finally secured your first Bluesky payout of $1,500. Let's go, Coper. Nice job. Make sure you request everything. Do it correctly, Coper. Tony. Important part of the Bluesky request, make sure you fill out the payout request form, include all documentation, your W-9, your photo ID, and then when you actually fill out the request form or the actual payout request, make sure you only enter one payout type. So if you want it through PayPal, make sure you put PayPal. If you want a direct deposit, put direct deposit, those sort of things. Surprise, stream is still going from last night. Nah, you never know, right? You never know. You got to pay attention to make sure the stream is actually over, because we don't know. It might not be. All right, let me see here. I'm going to do something a little different today on the opening range. I'm going to go a little heavier today on the opening range. A couple of reasons why. I kind of... I didn't mean to do that. I kind of expect it to work today. I don't know. I kind of expect it to work. For that reason, I'm going to go a little heavier. So right now it's about 65 points. How long do we have until this is set? Less than a minute. Or actually right now. So 65 points. I got to break out the calculator. Listen, I know some of you guys can do it in your head. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Do we have any? We'll check and see if we have any news and stuff in a minute. I don't think we do. So let's see, 65.5. I have no idea. 37 and 32 and a half. So what is that? Like around $60 per micro. So 6 times 4 is 240. 5 is 300. So 7 micros we're going to go. I'm going to go 7 micros today. Good morning, son of Wall Street. Trump speaks after market closes. Nice. 262. What up, son of Wall Street? All right, I got the orb short. Let's get the orb long. Boom. All right, we're all set up for it. We're going to go a little heavy on it this morning. We're going to go a little heavy on it. See how it works. Let's look at the hourly here. Guys, we marked out this as protected last night. And I said that like it's not a level that can't be taken. It just means it's a little more difficult to take this level. And I mean, look at it here. Just look at these shoves up towards that level. And it's just unable to get through there. Just unable to do it. I mean, we still got the new week opening gap down here. We got to remember that, right? We can't forget about that. Still got the new week opening gap down there at 24,000 effectively, 450 points below where we're currently at. So at some point, we're going to come down here and take this. We got to know that's going to happen today, tomorrow, something like that. So my lean is still bullish today. I'm bullish, but I mean, kind of a ideal scenario might be something like that and then go up, but I'm not sure we get that. We'll see. Good morning, Tris. Previous day open and close. Yes, Jan. Yep. Right here at the 400. It's kind of the problem with the downside, though, is like this could just pop down here 20, 30 points and then pop back up 65. Oh, I didn't change. I didn't change the break even on that strategy there. He has the auto break even's at 300. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Housey fan the house. We'll see what happens here. I prefer the pop. I prefer the pop out the top, honestly, at open. But I don't get to. We don't get to choose. It goes where it goes. We don't get to choose. We are green already this morning, guys. Let's kind of give you guys the rundown from the overnight. 251 on this rapid account overnight. We're up 548 on this account from a trade this morning. And then this one I have not taken any trades on yet. So I guess I'm going to start on that one. We are also up $100 on one funded account from overnight. And what do we make? $12.50 on an eval overnight. $100 on a funded, $12.50 on an eval, $15 on another eval. So yeah. Yuri in the house. Good morning, Rob. We'll kind of see what happens. Who knows what's going to happen here at open. Alfred in the house. Oh, Adam, good morning. Let's see what Mancini says. Let's check news first. Yeah, no real news today. 5-year note auction at 1. President speaks at 7 o'clock tonight, it says. So Trump speaks at 7 o'clock tonight. Something to be aware of if you're going to be trading this evening. Let's see what Mancini talks about. What is Mancini saying? Says plan today ride runner 66.47, 66.38. Or supports, watch for traps below. Next target 78.90 to 95. So yeah, kind of looking for traps below 38 and 47. All right. Seems reasonable. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Rob. You never know, right? You never know when it comes to that. You never know. Moses, today you'll be requesting 10K from Lucid. Ended your month with 47K, 37K from Apex. Let's go. Nice job, Moses. That's amazing, man. That is amazing. I haven't had a month like that in a long time. A $30,000 month. I think I've only had that twice. It's so nice when that happens. You feel invincible. You're on top of the world. Oh, that's awesome though. Listen, Rob, 300 point. I mean, like, this is insane, right? Yesterday after close, like, that was so insane. At like 420. And the thing was, this was not a straight up move, right? It was not a straight up move. Oh, wait, I'm not even looking at it. It's right here. I mean, look at that. This is over the span of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes. So 322 points over 10 minutes. It is, Matty Matt. But look what it did right here, guys. Previous day close from yesterday and today is basically in the same spot. So after the market closed, it pushed up, tapped the previous day close, and had a 30 or 40 point reaction off of it. I had my order still sitting there. However, since My Funded Futures doesn't allow you to trade after 410, it canceled my order and we did not capture that trade. I actually wasn't even at home when that happened. I wasn't even at home. Ugh. You closed the charts like 2. Yeah, me too. I was out. Oh, you thinking about stop trading, Matty Matt? You could always give gold a try. Of course, you can't trade that on Apex. What up, Adam? Morning, Alexi. Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway. Mad Moxie in the house. All right. I hope that we open up inside the range, at least make it easy for me to take the trade. Or you could switch over to the ES. I mean, ES has actually been, even though there's not been a ton of follow through, there's been trades to have on ES. I don't know, you guys have seen me execute on the ES over here quite a few times over the last few weeks. Yeah, I mean, ES has been, trades have been happening, so. Been getting some trades. Oh. Whew. Come on. Stay in the range. Good morning, iTrades. I'm just waiting here, guys. There's not much to do. Wait for the open here. We got 4 minutes, unfortunately. It looks like it's probably going to break out the bottom. I'm kind of like leaning towards the long today, but I don't know, man. I could be completely wrong. What up, Robert? Tucson kid. InQ's the devil these days, and we basically can't trade anything else. Yeah. You're not wrong. What up, Punisher? Guys, hit that like button as you come in. Subscribe. Jump into the giveaway if you want. If you don't. It's all good. It's all good. It's up to you. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's get this pulled over so we can see the opening range trade. Again, we're going a little bigger size this morning on the opening range trade. I'm risking almost $400 for $800. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I have a feeling about today's opening range. I think it's going to bang. That's what I think. Although you should never guess. You should never guess. Probably going to do a shotgun anyway. I don't know. Maybe. Clarity, were you here last night? Do you see what happened last night? I put my outro music on and then came back and did another giveaway. And then I put the outro music on again and then came back and did another giveaway. Yeah, that's what we do. So for the people who hung around, literally we had like 150 people in here, and then I'd say everybody left except for like 60, and they missed the giveaway. They missed the giveaway. They missed a couple of extra opportunities. We did it twice. We did it twice. 206.40. Dang. Come on, man. Stay inside the range here. No messing around. It's not been moving these sometimes, so I don't know why. Okay. We got a minute 15 seconds. What I might do, guys, is if we do hit this swing low here, I'm probably going to go break even. If it's to the short side. Morning, Ronnie. What up, Room? Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Going to go down 32 points, then up 52 and back into a chop. It could. Come on. Don't you trigger pre-market. You got 15 seconds. You can hold up for 15 more seconds. All right, got it on there. What a rip. I like the top side better. I really do, but it's not kind of what we're really looking for. I hate it when it opens like this. I really do. You smoke a TPT pre-market? That sucks. What up, Raul? At the bottom. Yeah. So we're 2 minutes in here. This is the third 1 minute candle, and we're still just inside the opening range, the pre-orb. Not the best of signs. So, oh, I don't know, Lavender. It went for 4 for 5 last week. 4 for 5 the week. 3 for 5 the week before. It's been all right. This week's 0 for 2. Pretty bad this week so far. I mean, look at this. If it doesn't go on this candle or the next, I'm going to get out. I'm just going to close it. Yes, it's kind of pushing, huh? Is the Nasdaq, is it going to bring the Nasdaq with it? Yes, it's approaching the high. The follow through, yeah, for sure. No huge moves, that's for sure. A lot of inside days. What time is it? 4 minutes in, and we're still in the middle here. You took it off, no reaction. Yes, yeah. Lower highs and lower lows. What up, Tech D? Oh, goodness. I feel like if it gets out the top, I think we blast. All right, guys, 5 minutes in here. Not great. I might move the stop pretty quickly on the breakout here, guys. If I see 150, 200 bucks, I may just take it. I'm canceling the lower one now. You may see me move the stop very quickly here. It's very slow open eye trades, very slow. Grab the opening long up 300 bucks. Let's go. This is bad, guys. All right, I'm taking that. That's 150 bucks. Just taking it. It probably goes, but I'm not going to be too crazy with it. Not going to be too crazy with that. It probably goes. It probably works, but woo! I sneezed. So the opening range looks like it probably would have worked. I think you still would have needed the 547. You would need this high here to get to your target. So I think it goes. Yeah, Timbo, very tough open. Very tough. But now it wants to go. It's got that look in its eye. Yes, already took the high. Yeah. I see it. I sees it. All right. Yeah, I saw it, Room. Already sent the email. Already sent the email. Already tagged into my ad. Oh, you sent a second one a few minutes ago? You saw this big green candle and I thought, watch M is long. Yeah. I had to. Let me see your message, Room. I don't see a message. Oh, wait, here it is. Is this? No, it's not there yet, Room. It's not there yet. Which, by the way, if that person has 2 credits for $130, that means they paid the activation fee when they didn't have to. So make sure they're not paying the activation fee. As they have 2 credits for 130 bucks, that tells me they paid activation fees when they shouldn't have. Those are not free, Room. That means that somebody paid the activation fee when they didn't need to. You never pay an activation fee on Take Profit Trader. When you get a free account or when you buy an account, the activation fee comes with the activation fee is they give you a credit for it. If you pay for it, then the credit's just sitting there and you effectively paid money when you didn't have to. So now that credit's just sitting there for no reason. But now you'll see the credit come as soon as they email me back. It takes a little while. I don't know. That's weird. Room. It's weird. That'd be weird. Dun, 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 dun. No, I didn't. These pullbacks are so deep. Yeah. Difficult to get through this area. Back to that 500 there level. Still only one R on the pre-orb. This market stinks. Yeah. Good morning, Jay Styles. Could not get through there. All right, added in there. Let's see if this thing can continue to go back up. This is no bueno. May have to stop out on this. I'm scared. Uh, yes, back to 66, 62 area. Do we squeeze it? Is the question. Huh. This first 15 minutes has been pretty slow here. Exclamation point MM if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. Took a bit of an overnight, but only with one MES. Let's go. Yeah, we'll see, Jan. It could. It's holding the 62 for now. I'm going to give this like maybe 500 bucks and then I'm just going to close it. Trying to add this short-term trend line here. You look for 288. You don't think we made much headway until we break one of these. I agree. For the most part. Back at this trend line here, kind of needs it to hold here. ES is looking like it's about to just push down. I'm just watching here, guys. We're in this position. We'll see what happens. I'm giving it a little more room, but not much. ES breaking the 60 here. I'm going to kill this. Looks like we're going to sweep lower here. There we go. Look at that push lower. Look at it. It's all good. Watching the order flow gets you dizzy. All right, ES is kind of down. Mancini said kind of watch traps below like 44, 46 and 37, I think he said. Now you're getting interested. Me too. I like this area. Look for a little bounce here. Looks like we left equal lows here on the NQ. All right, now it ran the low. Nasdaq ran the low there. Let's look for a little bounce back up here. If ES can kind of reclaim 47 here, I think that might be a decent spot to look for a few points. I'm watching ES here. I'm going to stab long here on ES. Going to look for, there's target one hit. So I just went long on ES there, just looking for a little scalp. I was already out on the first. I was already out on the first there, so only down $6 now after that quick scalp there on the ES. I didn't get it pulled over in time, but good morning, Sovereignty. We'll look for the sweep lower now. It's a very aggressive entry there that I took. Just kind of watching here. We got the low down there at 320. She heavy, like a diaper, like a dirty diaper. Like a dirty diaper. Support was 38. We held it balanced. Flagging now. 288. Come on. What time is it? Almost 10. I will take this. I'll take this with decent size. If we get it. Oh, come on. Gave the 10 points right away, but I didn't take it. Let's see what happens. Market makers trapping, yeah. All right, tagged in on the lower one, which I didn't prefer, but we'll take it. All right, I can't give this too much room here, guys. I'm in basically a mini at this point. But I think it can print here. Stops in. Needs to just go. Break the 90 and go. All right, well, it stopped me out there and then went. 60 bucks. Not great. Blackout news, very tough. You gotta be very careful. Be very, very, very careful. Very careful. 4 micros for 100 points. Let's go, Francis. That's amazing. That is amazing. Getting a little twitchiness here at the top of the hour. ES traffic 60, 638, 634 now. You started micros. Let's go, Francis. Oh. It took me a while to kind of get over to micros, but. All right, there we go, guys. ES through the low. Nasdaq approaching the low. 320 down there at the low. $320 the low. Or not today. Maybe so low. Maybe. Anybody got along the recovery of 37 here on the ES? All right, I'm long ES here looking for 47. I'm going to go stop to break even at 45 here. Actually, you know what? I should have taken it at 45. That was 5 points. That wasn't quite 5 points. Trying to wait for it to get above that wick to drop this. There we go. Easy peasy. That 1K drawdown in 25. Yeah, it is very tight. Already in from 633. Let's go. Great job, Lavender. Great job. 38, but it didn't really trap below. Yeah, Jan, I like the sweep below there. The only thing I don't love is that we left this low here. But one thing I have noticed about Mancini's levels, I tend to sometimes ignore them when we have an SMT because I'm like, man, we're going to come back and take this low. And we might, but it's okay to take it for a scout. That was with a mini there, guys. So we are up $431 on this account. I think it's a good time to switch to an eval. Another eval. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect my Bulenox, and we're going to go to a Bulenox eval here. Because we're at our profit target, right? We're at a profit target on all the accounts. So I am, this is pretty V-shaped. And I am, guys, I'm going to dedicate an account to kind of Mancini's levels. And I'm going to start trading it with like 5 micros instead of a mini. This way I can scale out of 2 or 3 micros at one target and leaving a runner. Let's make sure we get on the eval though. 139. I think that's... There we go. Wait, why is the previous day closed? That's not right. I know that's not right. Let me see here. Yeah. It's like, I know that's not right. Previous day closed just banged again right there, guys, through the back door. Very similar setup to yesterday. Why is this showing? I thought, I'm looking, guys, because I marked out the previous day close. Did I mark it in the wrong spot? I think I did. 403.50 is the previous day close. 422.50. For some reason, I had those marked wrong. I think I did have them marked right on the other one. Yes, pushing here, guys. Yes, all the way up there to about the 50 level. Guys, I got kind of a kink in my neck. Max is actually not, I got to take him to the vet again today. He's in a lot of pain again. I don't know what happened. He was seemingly feeling better yesterday, and then today he's He's walking around like an 80-year-old dog. So I'm gonna try this. Should move this down. Yeah, I got to take him to get his laser therapy for pain. Oh, wow. What was that, guys? Anybody know what that was? Might close this. I'm going to close that. I don't like it. Oh, there's a lot of war news coming out. Yeah. Got to be careful here. I have no idea, guys. I'm just... I guess I could short here and put the stop up there. I don't know. Could just be a higher low here and go type scenario too. Very tricky. Ugh. Mancini says today has been a gold mine for fell breakdown traders. 78 was resistance. 38 support is posted at 8 a.m. We ran to 78, sold to 38, ran to 84, now back to 38. Just trapped it. Bulls run to cover 47 to resume up to the target slate. There you go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try this. I'm going to keep the stop up there at that wick. There we go. We're effectively in a mini here. I think if we lose the 90, it just dumps hard here. Again. Can it go? Nope. Greetings, Maxwell. Greetings. Probably going to get wrecked here. Yes, looks like it wants to go. No. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Close your eyes. God dang it. I didn't even get a chance to move the target up. Oh, probably iTrades, probably. Probably so. All right, guys, we're going to be in buy the pullback mode now. The golden zone, says Maxwell. Yep, it did. Hit the golden zone. That's a pretty big rejection there. Push back above 35 here. I'm going to buy. By the way, this is an eval, guys, so let's just be aware of that. Bulanox eval. All right, we're in a decent amount here. Okay, I'm not quite sure what happened there. Yeah. I'm not sure what happened there. I tried to move my target up, and you guys saw that. It froze. So recover the 47 there on the ES. That's Mancini's squeeze spot. Just went up to 54. Lavender still long from 33, looks like. Great trade, Lavender. Hopefully you're still holding there. Great job. What happened was V-shape? Yeah, it was. It was pretty V-shape. I just thought that we might hold the previous day close. We didn't. That's all right. It's reminding me that I still not had breakfast yet. Get that breakfast. The 5-minute just inverse to the upside. So we got our loss back at least. Do we go into buy the dip mode? Guys, I need 13 subscribers to get to 9,600. I'm going to go into buy dip mode here, guys. I'm just going to buy every pullback. I'm just going to buy every pullback. Let's go, Solo. I'm going to go 30 points on that first target. Could get some rejection up there. Hit that pivot up there, 460s. Oh, 10K. Okay, I got you, Solo. Yeah. Getting close, about 400 away. The problem is, like, I gain most of my subs in the evening, and I have not streamed evening Wednesday, Thursday, Friday last week. I missed Sunday, and then I missed Monday. No, wait, so yesterday was Monday. I did Monday. No, I missed Monday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So I've missed about a week on the night streams, but we'll be back. You haven't YOLO'd in a minute like that. You got to get back in there, man. You got to get in the game. You got to get in the game. Mancini did say that this might be a level to level day. So you should be trimming level to level here. 62 obviously is a level. Next key level there on the ES. I think we at least make it to the 480, 490 area. I think we get some expansion here. We pop above this 62, 63 area on the NQ here. I think we get a nice little boner. A little boner. A boner candle. Yes, pulling back here off that 55. Kind of building a flag here. Today is not today to play with size. Yeah. Want to see some expansion above 62 here, 63, above this high. Should go quickly. Want to move quickly here. Come on. You can do it. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. How? We're back to that again, huh, market? We're back to that again. I'm stop in plus 10 here. Looking for 30. Hey, let's go. Let's go. All right. We're up $1,300 on this account now. After we were up 1,200 coming into the day, we gave it back about 6. And then we made most of it back on the ES play. Looks like it might. The reason I got out here, guys, pretty obvious, right? We're kind of in like this is a little barcode order block area. If we're going to reject, this is also, it's in OTE, right? So if it's going to reject, this is an area where it will reject. So I didn't want to fight through that. I ultimately think it gets through it, but I just didn't want to fight through that. So I almost put the target up here, and then I decided no, down here is better. So also the top of the pre-orb there. What did the pre-orb even pay at open? Yeah, 40 points. It barely gave 1R, so it technically failed 3 days in a row. It's crazy. Now, obviously, I only took the loss on Monday. I did not take the loss yesterday because I moved my stop. I didn't take the loss today because I moved my stop. Now, eventually, I know that's going to hurt me, moving the stop like that. But for now, we'll do what we got to do. Trying to get this account to 2,600 before the other account's payout goes through, so that they both can be at the same level and I can just copy trade them. So pretty close. Need 600 more dollars. Pretty close. I had pretty good confidence in the orb this morning. However, when we opened up and it took us 5 minutes to break out, that changed my confidence. Not very often does a pre-orb go over 3 to start the week, but you know, it happens. And what did we just talk about right here? What did we just talk about? That's why I took profit right there. Very, very interesting price action today, guys. Very difficult. I feel fortunate to be feel kind of fortunate to be green. Look at that. I think this is a great reaction here. I could really long here. Okay, what happened there? Did you guys see that? Look at that. Am I still in the long position in 2? What the hell happened there? Do you guys see that? That was correct. That was insane. I mean, like, I know the spread's not that big. That went through 4 points. Huh. That's weird. ES did push up to the 63 there, 62 and rejected. This market's been missing orders left and right. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. It just wicked right through there and didn't take me. Well, I'm gonna see if we can't get out of this here. Stop to break even. Yeah, I don't know what was going on there. That was wild. That was wild. You're up 2K on 2 Bulenox evals. Let's go. Playing with 1 micro. Yeah. You made $13 on the buy position a few minutes ago before you got stopped out. Let's go. Hey, great job. Oh. All right, took one off there. Enough to buy breakfast. Yeah, at McDonald's. Nothing wrong with a good old McDonald's sausage and cheese McGriddle. No egg, of course. No egg. Just sausage and cheese. You're practicing not to care about my accounts and trade what I see. Nice, let's go. Now you're getting scared. That's how I try. I try to do that every single day. All right, stopped out. The boys won their baseball game last night. Megan's volleyball team lost, but she played very well last night. Very well last night. Charts still have so many gaps. Yeah. The funny thing is, like, if you look at this though, like, how many fair value gaps do we see on the 2 minute chart realistically since open? I mean, since 10 a.m. Let's just say 10 a.m. Not much, right? One small gap here. It's not really much there. All right. I mean, you got a lot of wicks on the bottom of these candles here. It doesn't really look bearish at all, to be honest. Looks like it's going to go. INTC Kodak. What up, Nancy? Oh, Vic still needs to fill the overnight gap. I'm thinking I'm about to long here again. I want to go a couple of more micros here, to be honest. I think we squeezed through there. Some LRLR above. Yeah, we're kind of at a trend line too, right? Short-term trend line here. Hmm. Pop it. We're in late off this, to be honest, but again, I was in already. Just didn't want to go. Thing is, ES is going to have a hard time getting through this level. I keep forgetting that we're at that 63. 62, 63. If ES pops that 62 area there, we go fast. That's when we get a big boner candle to the upside. But I am longing right into resistance. I'm well aware of that. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. Hmm. There we go. Now, I'm going to throw stop in here. We're going to target the opening print up there. Get a close above here, 500, that'd be good. Yeah. Well, just didn't do it. Still want to do it. All right, up 1384 now on that. Yes, wicked above the 63 there. If this thing gets back above there this time, I think it goes. And I will long. So I'm watching the ES. I want to see it get back above 62 here. Yeah, it could be Coper. I think we pop it, though. I think we pop it this time. Guys, it's days like this where I'm very glad that I'm not trading a mini, right? Days like this are the reason that I went away from a mini. It's because you're getting ATR is at 33. You're getting 30, 40 point wicks in the opposite direction and then going back on the direction in the direction that you expect it to. It's just one of those difficult days. Yeah, micros for sure. Ugh. We technically did break the trend on the 5 minute. Kind of broke out of the wedge. Obviously, we've bounced out of this area a few times here. It might not be the worst area to long. I'm going to go 3 micros. 3 micros. kind of creating a little idiot box here as well. So longing the bottom of the idiot box. And here you are playing with minis. Hey, if you're good with it, you're good with it. I'm not. I am not. So the reason I'm longing here, you can see the bodies of the candles are right here. This is the bodies of the candle. So I'm thinking as long as we hold the same area with the body, we get the same type of reaction. You stepped away for a few minutes. Does it seem like much? You missed all the things, Clarity. We have made a 1 million point move up. We're currently up $2 million on the day. We're thinking about retiring somewhere in the Philippines and living like kings. Looks like power of 3. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you got accumulation, a little manipulation lower, and then maybe distribution higher. We'll see. Going to join Jan over there in the Philippines. Of course, we never do that, unfortunately. We have kids. We have obligations here. But it'd probably be a fun time. Oh no, the one time that I do it. Recovering from 1600, negative 200. Let's go. Place your trade full port to make that million. Well, Coper, I'm going to say to the right. Buy to the right. You could buy futures saying that you know the chart's going to go to the right. I'm not in love with how this candle's closing. It's kind of closing below the body of these. Well, actually it didn't. It was pretty decent finish there. Why you guys tell me to long? That was a pretty good reaction. It hit the line on the chart there, which is my entry, and it said, okay, this is resistance. Let's stop right here. Thinking about adding one here. Going to add one here just to get my average below where price is. That way it can go. That's my thought process. If my average line is below where the current price is, then it could just go. It can get rid of the resistance here and can just pop. I mean, is that logical? I don't know. Not sure if that's the kind of logic I should be using, but that's what I'm thinking. Major gas shortage? Holy cow. But do you need gas there? I don't know. Everybody had scooters, right? Put stop loss at low a day. Used to work for you back in the days. Hey, never fails. Stop loss to break even. We're going to move the target up. We're moving the target up, guys. We're looking for the 540. Breaks this trend line, we should just, let me give it some help. If it gets a close up here, then we just blast off. Come on, don't get back inside the idiot box. Leave Tom Sabo alone. Oh, it's doubled in 1 month? That's crazy. Low self-esteem type price action, yeah. Come on, I'm trying to give you a little encouragement here. Uh-oh, I see you. Put the magnet, okay, let me put the magnet up here. Let's see here. I don't know how to draw a magnet, so there you go. I don't have a magnet, so. Oh, goodness. No. I'm looking for a picture of a magnet that I can put up there. Hold on. I can't find a picture of a magnet. Here we go. I found one. Let me put this up there. Here we go, guys. I found one. There we go, guys. What do you think? Is that good? Is that good? We never grow up. We never grow up. You changed a lot of diapers today. Let's go. Oh, what is this? It's only supposed to be this, not that. I don't understand why those are in there. What happened? So, exactly, Raul. That's what happens. Us men, we never grow up. We just, we still just act crazy. That's what I've been told. That's what I heard. I don't know. Why is this trend line such a, I mean, it's just not getting through there. It's just not doing it yet. Maybe it's waiting for the macro in 3 or 4 more minutes. I don't know. Initial balance is set. There we go. You can do it. Peter Pan School of Trading. That's right. All right, there's the close up there. Now we need you to follow the yellow brick road, just like I saw this weekend at the Wizard of Oz. Follow the yellow brick road. The Wizard of Oz. Let you get in shorts. You got to short the trend line, and now then we're gonna go. Don't do that. Magnets and buyers and sellers. Oh my. Lions and tigers and bears. All right, we're probably going to get stopped. Well, maybe not. Oh, ES is trying to make it above 62. Here it goes. Can we get a close above? Can we get a strong close above? Strong like bull. Come on, ES. Pop it. Pop it. It's definitely struggling iTrades. Good news is we got long at the bottom of the Tom Sabo box. Never a bad idea, right? Use the Tom Sabo box, get long at the bottom. I mean, what can go wrong? What can go wrong here? You can see how high resistance that wick up there at 547 is, though. Uh-oh. That's why I'm not targeting the 547. I'm only targeting the 540. Really, a safe target would be 526, to be honest. But, hey. Nice strong close above 62 there now on the ES up to the 65s. It's just a matter of time there. The magnet never fails. Let's go. Tails never fails. Do I just take... I'm going to take the initial balance, guys. Just going to take IB. Should go here. Should at least get the 520s, in my opinion. A lot of resistance up here for sure. You can see how high resistance this is. Glad you didn't try to pass evals today. Yeah. Man, I'm telling you, like, I like the pre-orb to pass evals. I mean, if you took the pre-orb today, I mean, look at the pre-orb. It went 40 points right away with no pullback. You're going to pass evals at a lot higher clip using the pre-orb high and low, in my opinion, than any other way of doing it. Unless there's a news event, obviously, but you can use the pre-orb high and low. I mean, the break today would have passed immediately. 37 points straight up. You made most of your profit pre-market this morning? Yeah. How many minutes before open are you using the pre-orb high and low? 9 to 9:15 a.m. Eastern. So you see it marks it out right here between 9 and 9:15. The high and the low. And then you just, whichever one breaks out first after market open, you can see like right there, it broke out, went 36 points, 37 points, which technically is a loser for the pre-orb because it's normally we go for 2R. But typically you're going to get 25, 30 points on a move up. And if it's an end of day account, you can move your stop in. So art class, that's right. Art class, Lucky Mon. This is art class. I mean, I could say if you got, I bet you guys have never seen this pattern before this morning. This is the type of pattern that we got so far. Okay. That's our pattern right now. You guys ever traded the Wiener pattern? Yeah, we'll do a giveaway in a few minutes, guys. We're going to give away a 50K account from My Funny Futures. Market Anatomy, that's right. Well, now it's actually gotten into my arrow here. All right, guys, in the next 5 minutes, this has got to go hit my target. Otherwise, we're probably doomed. We're probably doomed. Uh-oh. 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 No! Come on. Rip it. Get up there. This channel is rated PG 0. That's right. PG 13. Oh. Oh man, I just stretched and had a back spasm, guys. Woof. I've been having the back spasms kind of went away last night after I took some pain medicine, but man, it's back today. SpaceX Falcon 9 is launching from California. Nice. Rated X. I might add right here, guys. I might. I'm thinking about adding. Probably shouldn't. Rip it up. Top of the hour coming up here in about 3 minutes. And I think I may add here at I may add decent size for a push through 500 here. There's my ad. We're in 6. See the squeeze into the 510s here. Well, that was quite rude. That was rude. We might do a shotgun. I'm not sure. I'll have to see how many entries we got. We'll do a poll. Bro, get in there. Get up there. Stop yanking around. Stop yanking me around. Stop yanking me around, bro. Sellers aggressive. No stoic. No sellers. Only buyers. Rip it. This should be good news for the market. Oh. Launch was successful. That was quick. All right, top of the hour coming up here in 1 minute. Banana curve. Oh, indeed. Oh, no. Why you got to do me this way? Could be a bad here if ES doesn't hold the 62. It's not. Could be bad. $15 till top of the hour. Yeah, clarity for sure. We need something. Push us through there. All right, a little DCA action here. A little more DCA action. A little more. I hate that that flag stays right there. Can't see. All right, that's no bueno for this account. Might smoke this eval. Rip it up! Rip it up there! Rude. Come on, bro. Get me out of here. There we go. You blew the one. Uh-oh. That sucks, Miss K. What up, Zenith? Your DCA is such a hit or miss. Yeah. Husky over there making fun of my trades. He's making fun of my trades, bro. All right. I left 2, but I think we're probably gonna have to close it. All right, guys, we need 11 subs to hit 66 or 9,600. Can we get there? Probably not. Has liquidity below. Yeah. I'm just watching ES here. I mean, we could get a little squeeze here. Are you guys ready for the giveaway? Let's see how many people are in the giveaway. How many people are actually in the giveaway? Are there only 45 people in there? That's what it says. That can't be right. Let me refresh. Oh, 183 people. 183 people in the giveaway. What do you guys think? Should we do a shotgun or not? We only got 84 people in here. So let's go shotgun on the poll. Let's say we need 80% to do a shotgun. We need 80%. We don't get 80%, we're just going to draw. And we need at least 60 votes. Yeah, I hate how this flag stays right here. Like, I can't stand that. I wish that wasn't on there. So I think I'm going to... I like seeing the label. But man, that's annoying in my way there. We should always do one? I don't know. Surrealed Mutier. Shotgun means that I would clear out the giveaway, clear out all the entries, and we would start over with just 2 minutes to enter. The thought process is if there's 190 people in there now, if we started over, you might get 110 or 115, and you'd have a better odds of winning. Plus, people that are in the giveaway, 190, probably 40 or 50 of those, 40 or 50 of those are probably not even still in the stream. So, not even still here. I didn't even notice. I don't even have my order up here. Yeah, and also it gets the bots out. Yeah, good point. Gets the bots out. Oh man, ES is just struggling so hard to get above 63 and hold it. So it looks like we got 94 votes. We got 64% yes, 36% no. All those orders above are still there. So that means no shotgun. I don't know, Nancy. I don't know. I don't know anything about it. All right, I think I'm probably just gonna go ahead and kill this trade. I don't like it working its way back down here like this. See, the magnet did not work. It just didn't work. I might try one more ad here just to get a bounce. Might look for a little 5-point bounce. Might take a 450 bounce here. Let's see. She's a dumping. Come on, bounce this thing up. I'm not quite sure why I entered this trade. You guys ever have that feeling? It's like, why did you enter the trade? I don't know. Oh, that's why. All right. Let's quit messing around with it now. All right, let's do the giveaway. If you're not in, you're just not in. I don't know what to tell you. We're up $1,691 after that micro degeneracy. Micro degeneracy there. Oops. And the winner is, any chance we hit low a day? Yeah, there's definitely a chance. The winner is AlleyCat556. This magnet doesn't work. Darn you, magnet. That stuff doesn't work. Never works. I only needed the Tom Sabo guarantee. Alley Cat, where are you, Alley Cat? All right, Alley Cat's got, I'm going to give 1 minute. Is Alley Cat here? Let me set the timer for 1 minute. Boom. All right, is Alley Cat present? Anybody see Alley Cat? Let's check the timer here. Dun, 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 dun. All right, you got 5, 4, 3. We're about to have to re-roll. 2, 1. All right, here, let's re-roll. Alley Cat is no longer here. Anybody see Alley Cat? Oh, Alley Cat is here. Oh, okay, good, good, good. I see you, Alley Cat. I was only messing with you. I saw you the whole time. Ha 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 ha. Send me an email, Alleycat, to methodicalman@gmail.com. I'm going to pin it to the top of the chat. Click at the top right-hand corner of your YouTube channel. Screenshot this, showing me that you're logged in. Include in your email your My Fun and Futures email. So, I was just messing with you over here. I got to have a little fun every now and then. If it's a name I don't recognize, I'm like, I don't recognize Alleycat. Let me go ahead and just, let's go ahead and give them a hard time. Why not? Although I do see that you've been here quite a while. Here's Alleycat. Look, this this is how often Alleycat chats. Exclamation point MM. That's it. That's all Alleycat ever types. Oh, or cash. That tells you that Alleycat's been around a while. This is somebody's alt. Who is this? Tell me who you really are. How's the challenge with Husk? It's going to start next week on Monday. We're going to go, we each got a 25K flex account. We're going to start fresh eval, and we can't be in the same direction, same trade at the same time. Whoever enters first, obviously you can't enter that trade until that person gets out of the trade. And then we're just going to see who can take the account to pay out the fastest. That's it. It's just a challenge. It could go on a month. It could go on a week. It could go on 2 weeks. I also got another challenge that we're going to be doing after this one. I can't give you the details. I'm going to give you guys the details on it before we actually do it, so you guys will know about it. But you can't tell anybody. Can't tell anybody. But I'm not going to be able to give it to you today. So Yeah, we're not going to tell you exactly what it is, but you know. We'll tell you, not today, but maybe in a couple of weeks when it gets closer. When it gets closer. But it'll be a fun time. It is going to involve the other streamers. So, the other host. Yes, it will involve them. But we are going to be over on My Funded TV here in about 15 minutes. Let me get you guys the link for that. I have no idea, John. It must have been some war news. It's the only thing I can think of. Earl? Earl to the moon? Earl to the moon. Guys, remember, I don't talk about it that much, but remember, if you want to help support the channel, I'm not one of those people who sling my code over and over and over, right? I don't sling my code over and over and over, but I try to mention it a couple times a stream. Bulenox 89% off, code MM. Apex is still 85% and 90% off, code MYTH, MYTH. My Funded Futures 38% off. I think ended last night on the Rapid, but we still got 20% off and 30% off the other plans. Code MM, Take Profit Trader 40% off, no activation fee, code MM. Trade Day 40% off, no activation fee, code MM. Tradeify 30% off, no activation fee on some of the accounts, code MM. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one, 40% off, code MM. You get the drift. Day Traders, code MM. Lucid, 50% off your first two purchases, code MM, 40% thereafter. If you purchase the Pro account, you get one free reset if you purchase three. Funded, what is that? Funded, is it Futures Desk? The Futures Desk, code MMM. And I'm missing somebody. I can't remember who it is. Oh, yeah. Traders Launch, code MM. E8 Markets is code MYTH. You get the deal. Want to help support the channel? Use the code. So, no, Raul, I'm not technically supposed to say anything about it. I mean, it's not a big deal. She took another position with the company. So, it's not another big deal. I'll tell you guys that since you're here, but we can't we're not, I don't know why. I don't know why, but I can't, they're like, hey, don't mention it. So, whatever. It is what it is. So, but I'll tell you guys that. Code MM, Alito. Code MM. Repeat what I just said. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. What did I say? I didn't say anything. So, yeah, she took another position with the company. So, it is what it is. But technically, we're not, for whatever reason, we're not supposed to talk about it. Man, look at that dump. I'm glad I got out of that long. Wow. Wow. Guys, remember, we still got the new week opening gap down here at 2.7. Or wait, that's not where that is. I don't think that's where that is. I have to mark that out again. That's not right. So, that's not right. Yeah, I don't blame her at all for doing that, to be honest with you. So, but that's just between me and you guys. That's it. Don't tell nobody else. Don't tell nobody else. I personally thought they should have made an announcement or something, but, I only work here. Where was that new week opening gap? Is 217 where it was? No, it's not. 938. So 217 was hit, but this was not hit during regular trading hours, was it? Oh, it was. Was that hit during regular trading hours? I'm just trying to look. Yeah, it was. Okay, so 217, that's not valid. It's not even valid. Look at this thing go. ES is down to 17 here. This is kind of what you want to see, though, to look for a long. Iran's Bushehr nuclear power plant has been struck again. Dang. This might reel me into taking another long here. Because look, ES is about to recover that 23 here. I might be slapping another long here, guys. I'm going to try a long here stab on the ES looking for 30. Just look for a retrace to 30 here. Quick long. Nope. Not doing it so far. Might kill this depending on how this candle closes. So you guys see what's going on here. Major level here at 23 per Mancini. I don't need his tweet to see this, guys. We got this on the levels already. So a sweep below, a trap, reclaim. Let's see if we can squeeze. Bink. Let's go. Oh, that sucks, clarity. I mean, that's about as easy as it gets, guys. You don't need Mancini to hold your hand to tell you to take that trade. You know what I mean? You don't need him to hold your hand to tell you to take that trade. Up 651. All right, guys, I'm going to be jumping over to My Funded TV. See how many viewers they got right now. 298. We got 62 people here. Let's see if we can get that up to 350. Let's get the viewership up to 350 there. Get over there, hit the like button for me if you can. We appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you over there.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.